Hey guys, pretty late start to today's video. It is currently 1 o'clock in the morning, and that is because I've spent most of the morning editing and also fulfilling orders from the Benky Spec store. But today I want to make sure that this thing is nick and ready for Brad at Dalmore Dyno next Thursday, because we're taking this thing to get its final tune. The goal is to make 300 kilowatts and no more than that, because the tail shaft and transmission combo are standard, so a little bit sketch. They could break anything above that. So once I get the built transmission, is going to be capable of 400 plus kilowatts. We've got the turbo for it thanks to PJZ Customs. Let's jack this thing up and I'll show you what's going on. It is dark as hell under here, but I hope you can see. There's the gate right there. It's going to come down, come straight through there. It's going to go over the dump, and I'm going to have it come out right here where the transmission is. So this is the fuel leak that I was talking about. You can see it's sort of glistening there at the end of this fitting. It keeps leaking, probably like a 50-cent coin every like 30 seconds the car's running. So it's pretty bad. It could be causing an issue. What we're gonna do is we're gonna replace that line before the tune. We're also going to add some more hangers to the exhaust, because currently the exhaust only has one hanger right here, just up there. We're also gonna put the pipe that goes on over the live reel, and we're going to see where it comes out to and try put some more hangers on that as well, because currently the exhaust is pointing to the sway bar and the bushing and everything, and it's probably destroying everything around here. Anything to say, fam?
What's up, YouTube fam? Yeah, that's all I got.
So I don't know if you guys remember this, but we did make a pipe that goes over the live reel. It's pretty good, did some decent welds, but I did find out through my welding venture that I didn't need to add filler everywhere. Some of the guys told me that I could just use the torch to combine the metal, but I just decided to use filler everywhere. And look, it came out pretty good. What do you reckon? Not bad?
Couple of boogers.
Couple of boogies, but the flange is mint.
Oh.
Yeah, oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah, color. Need more gas. Oh, yeah, buddy. Now it's pointing towards my tire. Oh my! Just got a pipe right here. It's cut to the right angle, I think. You can see the exhaust right here. Look at that. Shabam, shabam, shabam. Then I gotta put a hanger on and we're set. It's Lachlan's birthday today, guys. He didn't tell me, so I didn't know.
Why would I have to tell him? He should just know.
How should I just know? Well, you guys can look, you just don't look directly at it. No, fuck that. Oh, this worm's getting fucking...
Oh, that is a hideous...
Yeah, it's because I cut a straight pipe on a bend.
God.
Yeah, hold that. You good?
Are you good?
Yep. Tough staino, mate.
Tough staino.
Tough staino. Looks pretty hot, don't you think? Fuck. Lachlan's like to me, there was a car going past, it's like, yell out tough staino. Fuck no. I don't know you, man. He was listening to his musics. He was vibing. He was vibing, so I didn't want to say anything.
He was vibing with his little little hand vape.
His hand vape, yep.
Hand vapes are sick.
Yeah, no, I don't want to yell out tough stano. Tough stano, mate! Angle.
True boogers.
Much success has been had. We have made the worm of the back of the live rear a lot bigger, as you can see right here. We've also included a, what do you call these? Hanger? Little hanger. But yeah, this is being quite a bit of a pain now to put back on and off because it's a lot larger. But it's pretty much coming out to the back here. All we need to do is weld on a tip and then we're ready to go. So it's been a few hours in the future. We got the exhaust pretty well mounted on, as you can see. Unfortunately, it does hit the body of the car. That's something we'll have to play around later with. Tomorrow we have our Sony meet and greet / vlog tutorial session with Zach Baldy. You might have seen that on the socials. I need to prepare for that. We need to get the chaser clean. So we're going to take a bit of a break week in the E-Series and we're going to get this chaser clean for the event because we need to take photos of it tomorrow. And it's also getting kind of dark, so gotta do this quickly. Peter's volunteered to clean the rig, so I'm gonna buy him dinner later. Dude, why do you want to clean it so bad, bro?
Because every time I get in this thing, I feel like I get a disease from the amount of rubbish that's in the back, because I'm always stuck sitting in the back.
Dude, it's not that bad. Come on, man. Wait, open it up. Oh, okay, it's pretty bad, bro. Hungry?
If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will eat these Cheetos. There's nothing there. Troll.
What's going on, guys?
What the hell, bro?
Old nugget.
I've never seen this car, bro. Holy shit. What is this like?
It's a HG Monaro. It's pretty cool. It's good fun. Factory with the orange.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We finally cleaned the chaser. It's looking really nice. It's so clean that you could eat off it now. All right, demonstration. I regret that.
Tastes good.
Yeah, it's looking good, finally. I've had to leave it outside for the past couple of days, past couple of weeks actually, because the EF has taken up all the space in the garage. It's pissing me off, but it is what it is. You know what, probably more of the tough rig stuff is taking up the garage, and then I guess my laziness with like the boxes and tires and all that, but we'll eventually get to that. We're just gonna go around the block now, drive the chaser off, and then we'll see what else we get up to. Alright guys, we're off to get some dinner now, and look at this, look what we got next to us.
I am lying.
Right.
Oh my god, man. Is that a Supra?
VT, mate.
VT?
VT.
We are in the Toyota Camry, turbo myself.
Turbo.
That's fucked.
God damn.
Come on, give us the signature.
When are you gonna replace your fucking bumper?
Eventually, man. It's saving you money right now, not replacing it. But yeah, just gave it a wash. Looks freaking good, man. I'm loving this thing. So we actually come here a lot. It's called Showtime. We're gonna get some food, get some drinks, and yeah. did part of the car fall apart?
Nah, I was wondering why the seatbelt wouldn't fit around me, but turns out it was caught in the door.
Apparently this thing's special because it has a yellow interior. I don't know, factory yellow. Unfortunately, I know nothing about these cars, so I feel like an idiot. This is one of my favorite places to come to. These boys come here so much that they're sick of it, but I like coming here as much as possible. Peter, why didn't you like this place, man?
Sometimes it gets my stomach a little angry, but it tastes good.
It's because he's weak, bro.
My stomach's angry. I like drinking oil.
I don't have any complaints. See, all these guys, they complain for no reason. Got our serving of dumplings. Alright guys, we're currently in Zach's HG Monaro. This thing is sick. It sounds incredible. Oh, 3-speed, manualized auto. Dude! Yo, yo, yo! Yo, yo! Hey, hey, hey! Holy fuck, man! That's crazy. I follow this guy on Instagram. There's a highway patrol just up ahead.
I bet you it's like a VYU.
Someone's got done. What is that?
Stato.
Stato, tough Stato. So So guys, there's a highway patrol behind us right now. I've never been to one of these meets before, so I don't know what it's usually like. It seems like everyone comes down here every Friday. Crazy.
What do you say?
Very nice, very nice. Zachy boy's just parking up.
How's doing, mate?
Jim. Everyone's looking at us because Zach's on red peas and he's driving this car. But guys, for those who don't know, this thing's like 150 grand. Oh, sets off alarms. Mag. Oh. Peter FGX.
I wish mine was like that.
There's an AU just hitting limiter just behind us. Bruh, that's part of my crew now. AU Falcon. We have an LS GU Patrol. It's pretty nice. Sick turbo. Pretty tough rig. I give that 10 out of 10 in tough rig. So this is the crowd so far. The cops are just over there. They're hosting their own little meet just a few meters away. It's crazy. People just sit down and chill. Elon, you want to say hello to Vlogmas?
Hello, Vlogmas.
We have a tough XR6 front end. Don't know if that's an actual XR6, but it's not.
Nah.
Looks pretty tough, doesn't it?
Fraud.
Fraud, okay. Dude, there's too many cars here. I don't even know what I like and what I don't like, but I'd say most of them are the Aussie cars. A lot of Holdens, a lot of Fords.
It's called an Ecotech.
Ecotech?
This engine here.
Is it actually?
Yeah, it's an Ecotech.
No, it's not.
No, there's four coming off the side.
Yeah, it's
so
an
you're
Ecotech.
lying to me.
Ecotech.
Oh.
Alright, come with me.
Give us a minute. 2 minutes.
Alright guys, this is probably my favorite car here. Hyundai Getz. It's even got the incomplete banner on there.
Alright.
Yo! What's going on?
Getz is the fucking goat car.
Look at this thing. Beast.
You know what I'd do to one of these? You don't want to know.
Probably my favorite car here. Shout out to Incomplete. They've sent me stuff in the past. Look at this thing. Beast. Oh, it's on wheels as well. That is seasonal.
This is actually my dream car. But I've already owned one, so.
Hello. Hey, how you going? You're in the vlog, bro. Want to say something? Put you on the spot. Nice wheels, man.
Cheers, fella.
Damn. Nice car. Oh, what the bro, that's trippy as. That's so trippy.
I didn't realize he was fucking rude.
Yeah. Dude. The police presence at these events, insane. What the hell? I've never experienced this, but there's like 2 highway patrol there, another 2 over there. Oh, they're gone now. Hey, Rex! Hey! Oh, damn.
Alright, just go in the left lane and change lanes.
Oh, my eyeballs. Alright guys, it's the next morning and we're now going to show you what this thing sounds like with the exhaust complete that goes over the live rear. This morning I spent a little bit more time, as you can see, getting this exhaust done. It's looking pretty decent. Comes out to a nice spot, but there is no tip. So we're just going to have it pointing there like for now. Doesn't really hit anything, which is good. As you can see, I've got quite a few batteries that I've killed. We're going to start it up now and see what it sounds like. I don't think it's going to be that much different, but we'll see. I'm not gonna lie guys, that does sound significantly better. It's just got a bit of a problem running right now, and I don't know if that's because of the fuel leak. Once it warms up, it seems to run a little bit better. Brad from Dalmore Dyno was correct. He said that if we just put a pipe over the library, then it should sound a lot better, and it does. It doesn't sound too loud, which is ideal, and I think I'm gonna keep it this way. I was originally gonna put another muffler on, but I might actually just keep it this way. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a warm day, so it's tired me out like crazy, but I really appreciate all your support on these daily vlogs. I will see you guys in the next one. There's a lot going on. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you later.